morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Hope everybody has a good Friday and a good weekend. Overnight, we've got prices higher. Beans up 11 cents, oil's up 80, while corn's up 10, wheat's up 18. Seems like things are also trading in kind of a different worlds. Wheat and corn's up after Ukraine hit one of Russia's ports with a drone, and it may also have been hitting a Russian vessel that was loading. So temporarily, one of the main Russian ports suspended loading. Yesterday, we were on the defensive after Romania announced that they will allow 30 Ukrainian vessels to come in and be loaded and be shipped out grain. That offered some resistance to the market. We're still kind of waiting for Russia's response to this drone attack on their port. Also, Putin said that he would allow the Black Sea Ukraine export deal to resume, but we have to meet the Russian requirements for such a thing, which goes back to dropping sanctions and allowing them to be in the soft program. Yesterday, Informa came out with a corn crop of 15,190, a yield of 176. That's down about 120 million bushels from USDA's number. And a bean crop of 4216, which is down about 80 million bushels from the USDA's number. Again, big report next week. See if the USDA even drops yields, but they could drop export numbers and raise of the carryouts. July UN food prices rose for the first time in many months. It was led by veg oil and sun oil and wheat. U.S. weather looks benign for the Midwest, which is negative to prices. Canada might get some rain, might be too late. Northern Europe is also wet, and now the southern areas of Russia is turning dry. I think that the funds are now long, maybe around 67 beans, down from 112, along 62 meal, and they've reduced their long and oil to 38,000 contracts. In corn, they are probably short now 40,000 contracts, and in wheat, they're probably short 100,000 contracts. So again, it's kind of seasonal. Once we get past the July, that it's hard for us to hurt a market unless we have like an early frost or something like that. So we'll see what the USDA says next week. Obviously, the wheat market has a lot of volatility in it with trade tensions in the Black Sea and unknown weather conditions. So we're just kind of looking at resistance in the November beans around the 1350 area. Corn trading over $5 in December. Again, 520 is probably a pretty good level of resistance. And Chicago wheat's back up close to $6.75. KC $8, and Minneapolis $8.50.